This art exhibition is organized by the exposition committee. It will be inaugurated very soon by the Archbishop of Goa and Daman, Cardinal Philip Neri Ferrão. And we have almost 60 artists, mostly from Goa. They have done beautiful artworks, paintings, which will be on display throughout the period of exposition till the 5th of January. And I request all of you, people from Goa, people from all walks of life, to come and witness these beautiful paintings. The place, the venue is St. John of God, which is very close to the St. Augustine's Tower. I congratulate all the artists. I also congratulate the team that was put in charge to organize this art exhibition. They have worked tirelessly, worked very hard. I congratulate also them and all the artists who have put in hard works.
What is this exhibition is all about?
The exhibition is about the life and mission of Saint Francis Xavier. Saint Francis Xavier's legacy, his legacy of love, his legacy of service continues even today. And that is what the artists wanted to bring about. The legacy of Saint Francis Xavier, even for our times, modern times.
What time it opens and
The timings will be.
The timings, I think in the morning it is 9 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very sure. I will have to check maybe. No, but there are timings. You can please confirm maybe with the committee. I'm not very sure.
So each artist were given the task or anything like that.
The artists were given a theme. About Saint Francis Xavier. And they were supposed to come out with their own ideas about his life and mission. And we can see these artists have come out with really beautiful ideas. So we did not want to also restrict them, but to be very creative, and that is what they have done.
Father, within how many days they have completed this painting?
They were given almost 6 months time, and most of the paintings were submitted almost, I think, by August. August 30th was the last date that was given to them to submit the paintings, because then we had to prepare the catalog, the other things. So most of them had submitted, but then we got it ready, everything. So they were almost given another 8 months to do the painting. So we started the work almost a year back.
So this is the line of exposition.
Yes, it is a part of the exposition, because art is also a powerful means of proclamation. We proclaim the good news, we proclaim the gospel. People from different walks of life, from different faiths also have done these paintings. So it is also a very powerful means to display communal harmony, because everybody has contributed to this.
Father, once the exhibition gets over, where will this be displayed?
These exhibits actually are for sale also, but the Archdiocese is also thinking of buying these paintings from the artists and to keep this exhibition permanently, because they are really wonderful, beautiful paintings, so that this place can become also a place where these exhibits can be kept on display.
What was the age of the artist?
Of the artist, there was no age limit that was given. We had not given any age limit as such to the artist.
so output is come very well.
Very good. Thank you. I'm also happy for that.